Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're making some festival. Easter is almost here, and festival is always the perfect side dish. Let me show you how to make these festivals. Here I have a bowl of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add some fine cornmeal, some baking powder, some brown sugar, salt, now I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. I am ensuring there's no clumps in there, so that's why I keep mixing. In goes the vanilla. I'm adding the milk in, but just a little bit at a time. The exact measurements that I use are in the description box below. Add some more milk. I keep adding the milk a little at a time because I don't want the dough too soft. So I add some milk in, then then I add some more, and I knead again. Now the dough is coming together. This is the texture you're looking for, not dry and not too sticky, just perfect. I am going to let the dough rest for a few minutes. After about 10 minutes, it's time to start frying. Pinch some of the dough rolled in a ball, and I just keep rolling in the palm of my hands until I form a long oval shape. It should look something like that. And into the hot oil it goes. I repeat the process over and over where I pinch, roll the dough, and into the oil. time to start turning them. The dough will burn easily, so make sure to turn your stove to a medium to low heat. Since I'm not deep frying the festivals, I just keep turning them from side to side. Make sure all the sides get evenly browned and cook evenly. They are ready to come out. So what I'm doing is adding them to a wire rack to drain the excess oil. Now all I'm going to do is repeat the process with another batch of festivals. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and come back for more delicious recipes.